divided by 1 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 1 divided by 2 equals
0.5.
1 divided by 4 equals
0.25.
3 divided by 3 equals
1.
2 divided by 4 equals
0.5.
0.5 divided by 2 equals
0.25.